Hi, this is a video tutorial on how to create a beautiful welcome slides that you can use to any of your presentations. Let's make sure that before we start, we have a blank screen already added. And once you have it, you go on to Insert Menu and select the shapes and click on the rectangle and draw it over to cover that whole PowerPoint screen area. Once that's done, go back to the insert menu and select a text box so we can begin drawing our text box in the center and typing in the welcome. Once the welcome is entered, highlight on the text. Let's now go to our font style to change it to a Masses Empty Pro Black. Then go to your text size by typing in 150, enter. Now you see a bigger text with 150 font size. I love to have my text being uncentered, so I will go click on the center, and then once that's done, I can hold on my control key and click on the rectangle behind the text. I want to make sure that my text, if you notice, it has those circular or circles around the text. Also, the rectangular behind the text. That is a sign that you have both selected them so that we can apply our next step. Our next step is going to be clicking on the search button and we will type in merge. Then the merge shapes comes up. You click on the arrow and combine. This is combining the text and rectangular. Once that applied, you're going to move to insert menu again and clicking on the videos and hover over on the stock videos. Over here, you will see all the stock videos. As you see, it automatically selected the videos tab, and I can just choose any of the videos I may wish to embed. If I wanted to insert this particular video, I will select it and click on insert. So the video now is on top of the welcome text, but what I want to do is basically send it to back. So right clicking and selecting the send to back will make this behind my welcome slide. Just to test what you have done so far, let's click on the slideshow icon on the lower right hand side of the screen and kaboom. Here's how you can create your beautiful welcome slide. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.